Alright, guys. The state of the room today is a shambles. It's a shambles. I've been off the content recently. Before we start, I want to say to all of you guys, I'll keep it 100 with all of you. Like, look at this, yeah? Oh my god. Oh my god. All of the thousands of pounds invested into crypto, and I can't afford a new ironing board. So to help me afford a new ironing board, I need 15k subscribers. I will buy a new ironing board at 15k. So go and do the thing. Subscribe to the channel, please. But we're doing another base update today. We're going to pump up the base videos. I've got a brand new coin that we added to the portfolio. Whoa. I got a brand new coin that we added to the portfolio today, and it's already pumped up 20%. A lot of you guys, you've been leaving comments asking for it in the comment section on X as well. And then there's one that one of the community members actually reached out to me and he said, hey, this one's pretty cool. So we're going to go check that one out at the end of the video. Let's do it. Alrighty. Alright, guys. We needed a sentiment reset. I'm going to be buying back in fear. For now, I'm building my cash position. Apart from certain coins that are at some amazing buy entries. I updated the members club today. It's still 50% off. You guys can join. You don't have to. You can go and join the free community as well. We got the free Telegram going there as well. Everyone chats in there every day. But I updated with a few coins that I bought today. I bought yesterday, last week, I think it was, on the weekend, because they're at pretty good prices, right? So when you see good prices, yes, it may go lower, but this is where a lot of people will start to go wrong in the market. They're expecting that it will go lower. They're expecting ultimate doom, and then they don't buy, and then what happens? The market doesn't give them the prices that they actually want or they think is going to happen, and then boom. Or they just over leverage themselves, go all in right now too early, and then you can't, and then you can't buy. So again, we take advantage of the opportunities in the market. We still build some cash positions as well, and then we go from there. I'm not going to cover every single base coin today. We got one new one, two previous, maybe three previous, and then a new one at the end. But still, the portfolio, yeah, we've taken a massive hit, guys. This was at like 250% a couple of weeks ago. The fact it's still up 100% is why the majority of us should still be chilling, okay? Look at Aero. It's still up 146% from our average buy price. Our worst performer is still in the green. So when people like panic and they get out of the market too early, or they don't make money in crypto, it is just literally because their average buy price is too high. They're not disciplined with their buys and their sells. They're not disciplined with the hodling, with the diamond hands. Morpho's like it's not a hidden gem, but it's like on the cusp of being a hidden gem. $2.29 at a $350 million market cap. It's not looking bad at all, guys. Morpho is going to be similar to things like Aerodrome to Moonwell. Slightly different because I think it's going to get a lot more institutional adoption, being that if you guys want to like allocate, or if institutions want to allocate, there's a lot more freedom in what they allocate into. They don't have to like be set with a certain, bunch of cryptos. They can add, they can take away. That's going to appeal to a lot of institutions, guys. But earn, borrow, and build on Morpho. Community is pretty strong, right? We got a lot of the big names that all of you guys should be following. Already following it. We love to see it. 51k followers. But some really interesting stats. Remember, we're a $350 million market cap coin right now. Total deposits, 5 billion with a B for big. 1.8 billion for total borrowed. And the TVL of 3 billion. 3 billion, okay? That's 100x. No, it's not. That's a 10x of the total market cap, guys. So usually when the price is lagging TVL, the price normally does catch up, okay? We saw the same thing happen with Aero. The Aero TVL was going ham. Who was here for the Aero videos at 40, 50, 60 cents when no one else was making Aero videos? I said to everybody at that time, I said, I'm the only one now, if you type in Aero, that comes up. Yeah, claim to fame, cool, whatever. It's nice that everyone else is covering it now. But I said once Aero starts to pick up, we really get to that 1 billion or price, you know, goes to near all-time highs, then you're going to see the YouTubers start to cover it. Guys, you go and Google Aero after this and you probably won't even see my name on there, right? But TVL is looking really, really good, okay? Morpho mainnet, total deposits in TVL. We've got 2.5 billion on the mainnet. That is really, really good. And they've got these vaults here as well. So 83 vaults, very similar to like what Moomo has with the different vaults where you can go and you can earn your APY. But then what makes me even more bullish is the chart. Now, I've used the MEXC chart. I don't know if there's another chart that maybe has more data. There probably is. But this is the weekly chart right now. And I gave the Members Club a buy at $2.31 earlier today. We're now at $2.65. So if we just go to the daily, then you can see here, you know, right around here, I said, look, it's probably a decent buy area. And we've pumped up 17% for the day, okay? This chart looks healthy. It is climbing the stairs, especially in a market where, you know, a lot of altcoins are getting smashed right now. A lot of potential is going to be in these newer coins. Price discovery is going to be happening. You know, if this prints another 15% candle, price discovery again, then, you know, it gets really, really exponential very, very quickly, guys, okay? So really, if you were getting in November and you got the absolute bottom, then you're up, you know, 250%. So adding a coin 250% from the bottom, in my opinion, is not that bad at all. I think that's pretty good. Some of you guys, maybe there's more data and you guys can let me know that it was a little bit lower. But from 70 cents to $2.64, you know, I'm pretty happy with getting some $2.31 bags earlier today. Now, another one that we need to keep our eyes on, which is going to be probably my biggest base holding of this whole bull run, is going to be Aero, just because number one, we got it super cheap, so it's naturally going to be one of the biggest ones. But then also I have the most conviction in Aero, okay? It's like doing more trading volume than pretty much everything else. Right now, Aerodrome on base is 50% of Uniswap on Ethereum, right? It's catching up, guys. It's catching up pretty quickly. And what do you think is going to happen when this starts to take over? Guys, people are already done with Ethereum. Solana's one thing, okay, so you can look at Solana dexes as another thing, but base is going to be the thing that overtakes like ERC20 Ethereum. Who really mints ERC20 coins anymore? I don't think anyone does, to be honest. And, you know, if NFTs start to go this way, like base NFTs start to pick up, in the true euphoria, guys, that's going to be really, really great for the ecosystem. And maybe people are going to be using Aerodrome even more. It's a if, but, and maybe, but I can see it happening. And then here as well, when we arrive in Q1 to Q2, the rotation of capital will be monumental. Or rotation into Aero will be monumental. I can see that as well. The project already generates more revenue than the entire base chain. Okay, so not looking too bad. Again, TVL 1.4 billion right now. And then when we come to the Aero chart, look, we're nearly at that 100 MA that I was talking to all of you guys about last week, okay? I said all of our coins, we're looking to pick them up at around the 100 MA. Even if we lose it a little bit, that's going to be our top entry at $1.34. We're literally like right at the top entry. So again, for everybody wondering, you know, should I get into Aero? When should I get into Aero? Now is a pretty good time, not financial advice, to be DCAing in, okay? This is why we keep cash bags all the time. This could be one mega macro cup, handle, breakout. If this is a cup and handle, then we can say like maybe this is the bottom of the cup. Where is that breakout going to take us, guys? That breakout could take us all the way to, let's say, $4-ish. So you're looking at like what, a 300% move from where we are as a first initial target for Aerodrome. Remember, we've got higher targets: $5, $7, $10, okay? And that's where we'll be seriously getting out. We'll be getting out big time at $3.59 as well, because it's going to be nearly a 10x. But for everybody who wants the higher targets, we got them up there. $4.15 could be a pretty conservative breakout target for this, and we're going to be in price discovery as well. Once people do start to come in, Coinbase is like the #1 ranked app. Aero is the #1 ranked Coinbase token. Guys, it is a no-brainer. And then we come to my favorite utility play, Pock, right? Gamified trading options plus trading the PEG token as well. Guys, I love this one, and I told everybody, do not fade Pock. If you're fading Pock, you're doing it wrong. People are already making some mega bucks through their gamified options trading. You go and you check out the profit leaderboard, guys. 12 ETH in profit. Just for one single Pock, someone's already earned 4.2 ETH, okay? You can go and check it there for yourself. If you guys reckon you got a good eye on the market, you can be making some ETH in a pretty fun way. And then also, they've got their copy trading as well. All right, now who faded it? Who got the $2.70 buy? This is what I said in the previous Pock update video, maybe even in a previous base video. When we're capturing recapturing the all-time high, that's going to be like the perfect time for everybody who's not in peg already to be buying, okay? The previous all-time high, you're looking at like $5, nearly $6-ish, $5.70. Still about 100% move from where we are today. $3.12 for Pock is fantastic right now, and I wouldn't be surprised if in the coming days to weeks, maybe even by next week, we're tackling that $5 again. Remember, we've got resistance at $3.93, $4.34, and then $4.93. And I think once we do break through these key resistance zones, we're going to be going for like $5 peg again, and then we're going to be going price discovery to like $7 peg, maybe even $10 peg, guys. So don't fade Pock. If I was you, I would not be fading Pock. Mint a chicken, try some options trading, right? Try it for yourself. You might be the next person at the top of the leaderboard. If you're on the leaderboard, let me know in the comments right now as well. And lastly, Mojo by Matt Fury. Fury. Guys, Mojo on base CTO community takeover. This was one that some of the community actually came and they said to me, they were like, Lex,
you need to look at this. This could be one of the next big movers, guys.
I'm checking this out for the community. So again, please be sure to do your own research on this one. You can see liquidity. Okay, not looking the most fantastic in the world. It is still a super small market cap coin, guys. 374k. Looks like what we're doing now on the daily is something similar to Peg, where we've recaptured the previous all-time high. You can see it had an absolute mega pump earlier in December, actually the beginning of December. Now pretty much all crypto has taken a bit of a chill time, guys. This might be a time where if you're trying to position yourself in some based memes, you guys could maybe go and collect the whole bunch. I know a lot of you guys, you like Andy, you like Brett. Is Mojo going to be on your list? Because I think if that narrative starts to go again and then it does start to pop off, it could be pretty fruitful for all of you guys. So what we're going to say is maybe right around here could be our first point of interest. And if we do aim from today, guys, all the way to all-time high, it's already like a 200% move. So we could front run that 200% move, still be under, well, basically at about a $1 million market cap. 374k is super low market cap, so please be careful. But one thing that's looking good, guys, they're trying to get some listings for all of you. Once the listings do come through, you obviously know that's where a lot of the liquidity will come through. You don't really need to worry about debt screener at that point because they'll have liquidity on exchanges. Remember, it's going to be hard to get coin listings at such a small market cap, but once the market cap does start to grow, then that is when it does really start to get real, guys. So this is one that we should all keep on our watch list. But look, guys, Ethereum's not looking too bad right now. We're finding support at the 100 MA. It was like 3k-ish. It's now 3.192k. We could come back down all the way to 3k. We could like fill the wick. Okay, we could find resistance back up here. Even if we have like a push after Christmas into the new year up to 3.5, we could come down a little bit lower, guys. So again, that's why I'm building my cash position, but also just slowly starting to DCA back in. I mean, if we were DCAing in up here, why would we not now be DCAing in here? Like if we're expecting lower, okay? The lower, we're in the middle of the expecting lower. So right now, they are some base coins that I'm looking into. You guys let me know what you think of Morpho. Let me know what you think of Aerodrome. Let me know what you think of, did we cover Moonwell? Let me know what you think of Peg, and then Mojo as well as the community token of today's video. That's it. If you made it this far, support my journey to getting a new ironing board, right? 15k new ironing board. Smash that like button, smash the subscribe button, leave me a comment. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Peace.